Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video gonna to show you how to disable macros in Excel. So guys, if you want to disable macros in Excel, so very easy. Firstly open Excel. After click on file. Now click on options and after click on trust center. After click on trust center settings. And second option, disable all macros with notification. So check this box. After click on OK. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to disable macros in Excel. So guys, this is a very simple and easy method. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.